Andito ako ngayon sa University at Dundas Corporate and Business Area in the heart of Toronto. Ito ang Our Lady of Mount Carmel Church. Chinese Catholic. Tingnan natin yung mga schedule nila. Yan, Cantonese, may Cantonese, Mandarin and English. Napakaganda rin church na ito, but I haven't been inside, but I'll bet it's a very big church too. Ayan, may ibon pa sa taas. Ito ang St. Patrick Church naman. Every Wednesday dito ang mga Pilipino. Mother of Perpetual Health. Ito ang likod niya.